Chapter 10 Tokens and Data Types in Python. Welcome again, young girl. In today's session, you will learn about various data types used in Python. Thank you, Techie. Will I be able to develop programs after that? Yes, you will be able to create simple programs, but you need regular practice and more knowledge to be able to do more than that. Techie, can you tell me what all we can do using Python? Python is a multi-purpose programming language. We can use it for a variety of tasks. We can learn Python for machine learning and AI. In fact, Python is the best language for machine learning and data science projects. Python is also popular for website development. Let us take the next step in learning the Python programming language. Python character set. A set of valid characters recognized by a language is called a character set. The characters are used in Python source program belong to Unicode standard. The characters in Python are grouped into the following categories. Alphabet, A to Z uppercase, A to Z lowercase. Digits, 0 to 9. Special characters, colon, space, plus, underscore, minus, star, slash, etc. White space, blank space, horizontal tab, carriage return, new line, form field. Python can process any of the ASCII and Unicode characters as data or as literals. Python tokens. A token is the smallest element of a Python program that is meaningful to the interpreter. You have learned about some tokens in the previous class. Now learn more about them in detail. Identifiers. An identifier is a sequence of characters taken from Python character set. It refers to variables, functions, and arrays. The rules for identifiers are: only alphabet, digits, and underscores are permitted. Must start with the letter between uppercase A to Z or between lowercase a to Z or an underscore. Uppercase and lowercase are distinct because Python is a case-sensitive language. Special characters are not allowed. Some examples of valid identifiers are myvar, myvar underscore 1, sum underscore of underscore the underscore numbers, pass, and underscore sum. Some examples of invalid identifiers are global, variable exponential 2, variable 1, and one variable. Keywords. Keywords are the reserved words. They are predefined word. Keywords cannot be used as identifier names. Some commonly used keywords in Python are given below. Constants or literals. Constants are the fixed values that do not change during the execution of a program. Literals are the type of constant. Literals refer to any number, text, and other information that represents a value. Python supports the following literals. Literals with example. String literals, hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Integer literals, 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. Long literals, 8, 9, 6, 7, 5, L. Floating point literals, 3.14. Complex literals, 12J. Boolean literals, true or false. Special literals, none. Unicode literals, you, hello. List literals, 5, 6, 7. Operators. Operators are special symbols that are used to perform specific operation on operands and give a meaningful result. Operands are the data involved in the mathematical operation and may be stored in variables and constants. Combination of variables, constants, and operators make an expression. Expression: a plus 5 equal to 20. A is variable, plus is operator, 5 is constant, equal to operator. Now learn about various types of operators. Arithmetic operators. These operators are used to do arithmetical operations. Operator with name, description, example, when x is equal to 7 and y equal to 3, and output. Plus, addition, adds value on either side of the operator. X plus y equal to 10. Minus, subtraction. subtracts right-hand operand from left-hand operand. X minus y equal to 4. Star multiplication multiplies value on either side of the operator. X multiplied by y equal to 21. Slash division divides left-hand operand by right-hand operand. X divided by y equal to 3. Percentage modulus divides left-hand operand by right-hand operand and returns remainder. X modulus y equal to 1. Star star exponentiation performs exponential power calculation on operands. X exponential y 343. Slash slash floor or integer division divides and cuts the fractional part from the result. X divided by y equal to 2. Relational operators or comparison operators. These operators are used to compare two values to one another. Operator with name, description, example with x equal to 8 and y equal to 6 and output. Equal. It checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X equal y equal to false. Exclamation mark equal, not equal. It checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. If the values are not equal, then the condition becomes true. X not equal y, true. Greater than. It checks if the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X greater than y, true. Less than. It checks if the value of left operand is less than the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X less than y, false. Greater than or equal to. It checks if the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X greater than or equal to y, true. Less than or equal to. It checks if the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X is less than equal to y. Logical operators. These operators are used to make decision on two conditions. Logical operators are used with Boolean values and return Boolean value as output. Operator with name, description, example with x equal to 2 and output. And it returns true if both operands are true. X less than 5 and x less than 10, true. Or it returns true if one of the operands is true. X less than 5 or x less than 2, true. Not. It reverses the result, returns false if the result is true or vice versa. Not x less than 5 and x less than 10. False. Assignment operators. These operators are used to assign value to a variable. Operator with name, description and example with x equal to 2. Equal to. Assignment. It assigns the value of the operand on the right side to the left side operand. X equal to 5. Plus equal to. Addition assignment. It adds the right operand to the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. X plus equal to 3 is equivalent to x equal to x plus 3. X plus equal to 3. Minus equal to. Subtraction assignment. It subtracts the right operand from the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. X minus equal to 3 is equivalent to x equal to x minus 3. X minus equal to 3. Plus equal to. Multiplication assignment. It multiplies the right operand with the left operand and assigns the result to left operand. X star equal to 3 is equivalent to x equal to x multiplied by 3. X star equal to 3. Slash equal to. Division assignment. It divides the left operand with the right operand and assigns the result to left operand. X slash equal to 3 is equivalent to x equal to x by 3. X slash equal to 3. Percentage equal to. Remainder assignment. It takes the modulus of two operands and assigns the result to left operand. x modulus equal to 3 is equivalent to x equal to x modulus 3. X modulus equal to 3 / equal to flow division assignment. It performs flow division on operators and assigns the value to the left operand. X / equal to 3 is equivalent to x equal to x divided by 3. X divided by 3 * equal to exponentiation assignment. It performs exponential power calculation on operators and assigns the value to the left operand. X * equal to 3 is equivalent to x equal to x exponential 3. X exponential equal to 3. Operator precedence. An arithmetic expression without parentheses will be evaluated from left to right using the rule of precedence of operators. Priority with operator and name. First, brackets closed, parenthesis. Second, * exponent. Third, */%// multiplication division modulo flow division. Fourth, plus minus addition subtraction. Fifth, equal to exclamation equal to greater than less than greater than equal to less than equal to comparison. Sixth, equal to plus equal to minus equal to star equal to slash equal to percentage equal to star equal to slash equal to assignment. Seventh, and or not logical. Punctuators. Punctuators are also called separators as they are used to separate lines of codes, variables, etc. The following characters are used as punctuators in Python: #/ brackets, parenthesis, @ comma, colon, equal sign, brackets, indicate list, parenthesis, indicate tuples, function calls, function parameters for grouping expressions, etc., comma, used as a separator in a function argument list or variable declaration. Colon indicates a labeled statement or conditional operator symbol. Equal sign used to initialize the value of variable. Write a program to use operators in Python. Data types. Data types are used to define the type of value a data can contain. Each variable in Python is associated with some data type. Each data type requires a different amount of memory and has some specific operations performed on it. Data types are divided into two categories as shown below. Number. Integer numbers, floating point numbers, and complex numbers are the built-in numeric data types of Python. Integer or long. Integers are whole numbers consisting of plus or minus signs. They do not have decimal places between them. The range of an integer can be from -2147483648 to 2147483647. Float. Float data types represent numbers that contain a decimal point. For example, 0.6 minus 3.257 are called floating point numbers. These numbers can also be written using lowercase e or uppercase e to represent the power 10. Complex. A complex is a number that is written in the form of a plus bj or a plus bj uppercase. It is represented as real part plus imaginary part j. Sets. Set is a mutable, unordered collection of values of any type with no duplicate element. Sequence. A sequence is an ordered collection of items of similar or different data types. The three types of sequence data types are strings, lists, and tuples. Strings. A string is a sequence of one or more characters put in single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes which are used to represent text-based information. The quotes are not a part of the string. List. A list is a collection of data elements separated by comma and enclosed within square brackets. We can also create a list with the same or different data elements. Tuple. A tuple is just like a list. It contains a group of elements that can be of different data types. The elements in the tuple are separated by comma and enclosed in parentheses. The difference between list and tuple is that list can be modified, but tuples cannot be modified after it is created. Boolean. Boolean is a data type with two built-in values, true or false. They are used in logical evaluation. A true statement returns value 1, while a false statement returns value 0. Find data type. Python allows us to find out the type of data used in a program by using type function. Errors in Python programs. Errors are faults in a program. Errors prevent a program from executing accurately. There can be the following types of errors in a Python program. Syntax errors. A syntax error will occur when these rules and regulations are violated. For example, invalid syntax. Type P in lowercase for the correct result. Invalid syntax, parenthesis missing. Valid syntax. Logical errors. As the name suggests, these errors are related to the logic of the program. These errors are also known as semantic errors. They cause the program to behave incorrectly. They are the most difficult errors to fix, but they do not usually crash the program. For example, invalid logic. The average of 8 and 7 should be 7.5. Put num1 plus num2 in brackets for correct result. Some more programs. First, write a program to convert the distance in kilometers and convert it into meters. Second, write a program to take length and width of a rectangle as input and calculate its perimeter and area.